kalamayong ka Saipung Circle UDP.
I am so glad that by God's grace we are all together under Saipung 5 Sutinga Saipung constituency.
Kini ma shwa jaka election ka sang NPP sutna Saipung kalayo ya ka jeng kershan na UMDC Barim jaka sang Kongres na po Saipung ba muya danai rengkat ru bat ki katukan ngot kinong kershan jaka sang UDP na po Saipung. Yakini kita khalap yang sobha di Kong Santa Mary Shela ibrang kertong jaka sang NPP na po sutna Saipung ha election arjar arpulai. Lapiang sobha kini berak ki bawanya so jaka sang NPP ha ka jelang ka belong ha po sutna ha po ka jeng penyat yang Kong Santa Mary Shela.
Today I am so glad that by God's grace we are all together under Saipung 5 Sutinga Saipung constituency. Through NPP we all gather here, and I am also, as you know that, as our chairman, our honorable president has announced that we are from Congress party. So today we will be together to fight for the people and fight for the rights for the people. And for today, as I want to highlight that, because from the Congress party today, kama that on who masuk siam ki the man meeting ki neitai tang I ongbay there might be some little slight information that from the Congress side.
Hakani ka jingelang kinungelam juga UDP na po Saipung kila khliap no ya kalama juga sang dakwa penyeso LD pat kaseng NPP.
Ida keliap kalamayong ka Saipung Circle UDP. Iheni upor ngapur Presiden makulian na nego sang puya da ngayon wani diatman. Hindi ang pusang puya net kumulian na kausalan UDP Saipung Circle so ayon khai no ani kay maniru na nuat so flag hi isepta kaniliti entirna kinin lang rangani.
Kapag siya kanilisi kapag lihat tiga dalam yung Sutinga Saipung Circle. Oh, sorry. UDP Saipung Circle tau kliap tiga kalama kata dan ibu Romi kini lengut sesisen yo wan gisaga oyo ikliap ga UDP lama tadi chau ti